like many men of my time, I often struggle to find my masculinity. I have cried, I have broken stuff, I have lost my temper so many times in my eternal struggle. But luckily, I found the answer. That's right, it's Crocs and socks. The most fucking manly thing you can ever fucking do. And they're back with a vengeance. When I put on my Crocs and socks, I feel a power unlike no other. I feel like I can go conquer the world. I feel like when I have my Crocs and socks, I could even fly. Yeah, that's right. If you want to impress the ladies, Crocs and socks are the shit. They can make you go from 0 to popular in 0 time. They're manly, they're powerful, they're big, and yes, they do have holes, so they are not waterproof. But that doesn't matter, because in the long run, you're fucking hot stuff. Whoa. So if you want to be cool and you want to be awesome, you don't want to be a loser anymore, then you want to put on Crocs and socks. Because here's the thing. They will make you attractive number 1. You will walk into any building guaranteed and everyone's gonna stop and stare. No blinking, just stare.